Kingaroy, Australia, December 30, 2024.
Look, these fellas here walking around. Kingaroy Mall. She's a buddy. We're catching fish down there soon. Fucking hell. Gate's getting ripped away. Here she goes. I don't know what's going to happen. Whee! Smash. Fences.
Southeast Queensland is on high alert after heavy rainfall left many roads cut off and major dams at risk of overflowing. Turbulently on the Fraser Coast experienced the highest amount of rain with 180 millimeters recorded in the past 24 hours to 9 a.m., while Hervey Bay had 119.2 millimeters fall. Meanwhile, the South Burnett Regional Council confirmed multiple roads remain closed after Kingaroy was smashed with heavy rainfall overnight. In a statement, Council confirmed it will be prioritizing state-controlled roads before focusing on Council roads.
His folks for a fair while. I was thinking he should probably
The Bureau of Meteorology forecasts rain and thunderstorm will continue on New Year's Eve, threatening fireworks display across the southeast. Thunderstorms are possible through much of Queensland and along the east coast today, with severe storms bringing the risk of heavy rain and flash flooding to some areas. This may lead to dangerous driving conditions and possible inundations of homes and properties. Elsewhere across the region, Tincan Bay recorded 101 mm rain, Gayndah and Maryborough 73 mm. Heavy falls from storms are most likely to impact Queensland's White Bay, Darling Downs, and eastern Merano and Warrego district, as well as the scenic Rim and Central Highlands. A minor flood warning remains in place for the Burram and Sherway rivers. Segwater has also advised flood release from Wivenhoe and Somerset dams are possible in the next 48 hours due to the forecast heavy rainfall. The Flood Operations Center is at alert, closely monitoring dam levels, rainfall and inflows into the dams on 24/7 basis. Several ungated dams are spilling excess water.
This is now my backyard. That's my bridge. That's my
You don't get them.
The Bureau of Meteorology said Kingaroy, west of the Sunshine Coast, received 149 millimeters in 24 hours, nearly doubling its record for a December daily rainfall set in 2008. South Burnett Regional Council mayor said Kingaroy received its record rainfall within a space of 2 hours on Tuesday morning and represented in 100-year flood for the area. Emergency services, police, and council staff have worked through the night. It's been very challenging. There has been lots of damage. It is very concerning, particularly for small businesses, as there has been flooding in shops.
Wow, dangerous. Stop.
Other people were rescued across Queensland after campers were stranded and motorists forced to climb onto their vehicles due to the flash flooding. A number of motorists also needed help as water level rose, with one reportedly seeking shelters in 3 before rescue crews arrived. Sequoia said overflows from the Borumba Dam south of Gympie had increased due to continuing rain in the catchment area.
That's my house.
Flood warnings remain for the Fraser Coast, Burrum and Sherwell rivers, as well as White Bay's Stuart River and Central Queensland Point River. Showers and storms have been forecast for New Year's Day across Queensland. A whopping 82 millimeters of rain was recorded earlier in the afternoon, while 68 millimeters were recorded in Dalby in the Western Downs region.